What is going on, guys? Sir Lewis here, the YouTuber to invest to rest, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys here how to make the best NFT collection on OpenSea, and basically show you guys here how to make a good quality NFT collection that can be viewed by many people and hopefully get a sale. So I'll be going through here all the details on how to make the best NFT collection using OpenSea's official site here. I'm on OpenSea, and this page, it tells you what a collection safe listing is. So basically OpenSea, they have a system where they grade your NFT before you buy it. Okay, before when you go buy an NFT, they have a confidence score. I'm sure you guys have seen it. It's this right here. Okay, OpenSea confidence score. Now in this video, I'm going to tell you guys how to increase your confidence score so it's in the green. When it's right here, that means it's in the green and it's good. When it's red, that means it's not really that good. I'm going to show you guys here all the little details. So right here it says our user safety team actively monitors the platform, approves collections, and removes malicious content as soon as it's discovered or reported by users. This ensures OpenSea's community remains vibrant while upholding our terms of service. This guide explains what collection safe listing is and how users can use it to evaluate NFTs before purchasing on OpenSea. So then it says, what is the collection safe listing? All collections on OpenSea are discoverable by default, but collections that have been safe listed, right, have been approved by our user and safety team. If a collection has not been safe listed by our user safety team, potential buyers will be asked to review important collection details and agree to OpenSea's terms of service. So the plan is you want to get your NFT on that safe list, right? And it says here, what is unsafe list NFTs? One that hasn't been reviewed by our user safety team yet. Will prompt users to review collection details prior to purchasing. This includes displaying important metrics of users to consider before they make a purchase. And this includes an OpenSea confidence score, which is what I told you. When the collection was created, number of collection cells, the creator of the collection including when they joined OpenSea, whether the collection name includes any special characters or irregular spacing. So this is just an example here. It shows you here, this was created 9 hours ago, right? Not very good. They have 116 items. But their confidence score is really low because this was created literally 9 hours ago. The cells, they have 0 cells. That's another factor too. Having more cells will increase your confidence score. Creator and the name, as you guys can see, it includes special characters or irregular spacing. If you could just have one name for your collection, that would be a lot better than just having irregular spaces, and especially special characters. You don't want to have that at all. So what happens is people, they see the very low confidence score, but a lot of them still want to buy. So all they have to do is click right here. I have reviewed this information and this is the correct collection. They click and they continue, and that actually helps your confidence and your ability to go into the safe list in the future just by people purchasing it, even with a low confidence score. But obviously you want to get your confidence score up so more people purchase it, because that can be a huge deal breaker when you're selling your NFTs, right? If people click on it, they see the very low confidence score, that might determine whether they buy it or not. These are all the factors, right? How long was it created, the sales, and your name, which is pretty important. So this is another page, and it basically tells you how collections are delisted. I just want to go through this really quick and show you guys here how a collection could be delisted so yours doesn't get delisted in the future. So basically right here, this can happen if we determine the NFT to infringe on protected intellectual property, promote suicide or self-harm, incite hate or violence against others, degrade or dox another individual, otherwise violate our terms of service. So just watch out for those. Obviously it's common sense not to put any NFT or art based on that. And on to another note here, this is one for the future if you guys are very serious, right? How do I get the blue check mark? Because the most successful collections out there have blue check marks. Well, how do I get it? It says right here, to qualify for account verification review, you must have at least 10,000 followers on Twitter or Instagram for our team to review. Alright, so you gotta have 10K followers on Twitter or Instagram. That just shows you that it's important to have a Twitter and Instagram for your NFT collection, right? If you're serious about this, if you want the best collection out there, if you want the best quality, have a Twitter and Instagram and try to get up to 10,000 followers. And then it says right here, blue check marks are usually reserved for collections created by public figures or organizations. If you're not a high profile public figure or organization, your collection must first reach a trading volume of 100 ETH or more on OpenSea and have all assets revealed to qualify for collection verification review. And it also says just because it reaches this doesn't mean that it's going to be automatically verified. They're still going to look through it manually. But honestly, after you have 10K followers on Twitter, Instagram, and then you pass your trading volume of 100 ETH, you can just send it over so they can manually see it, and most likely it will be verified. All you guys got to do is go right here to My Collections, and you're going to click Create a Collection. So all you have to do is put a logo image. This is a feature image. It's optional. Definitely have a banner image. I definitely recommend you guys, make a banner image on Photoshop, or you can actually make some on certain websites. Name your collection, and this is very important. Like I said, from the confidence score, don't have any special characters or irregular spacing. And this is another huge thing in my opinion, the URL. And this is why I recommend you guys to, start your collection early. If you guys got an NFT idea, don't wait too long. Start it early because you get to customize your URL. Every single day, people are already making collections and taking URLs. If you wait too long, your URL that you want to have for that collection might be taken. So definitely make one as soon as possible. Then here we got a description. Try to make your description very well formatted, not just 1 or 2 sentences. Try to go in detail and make like a convincing description on why somebody should invest in your NFT. Then moving on here, this is actually pretty important too, is the category. What is your NFT? What category does it fit your collection, right? Is it an art collection, just art? Is it trading cards, collectibles, sports? Or is it utility based, right? These are the categories that they have right now. Then here we got the links, and as you guys saw, Twitter and Instagram is very important for this. Definitely make one for your NFT collection if you are serious, right? Because it said if you want to have the blue check mark, you gotta have at least 10K on Twitter or Instagram. So definitely make at least a Twitter or Instagram. Many of the projects out there, they're huge, have Discords, right? And they also have their own website. They have a website that basically explains their NFT collection. It has a white paper and all that. So then right here, these are the royalties. And the royalties, you can't pass 10. And royalties are just that when you sell your item and that person that bought it from you sells it, you're going to get 10% of whatever they sold it for. So it's awesome because your item, if it continues to sell forever and ever and ever, all the time, you're always going to be getting royalty. And all you got to do is put your wallet address right here, and that's how you basically get paid. And then right here, this is what blockchain you want to use for your collection. There's Polygon, which is gas-free blockchain. If you want people to buy your items gas-free, if you want to list them gas-free, Polygon is the way to go. Now, obviously, many of the bigger collections are in Ethereum, is the most popular one. But to list on Ethereum, to list your first sale, you're going to have to pay a first initial gas fee, which can be pretty high. So I'd wait to, till the gas fees are lower so you can do that first gas fee for Ethereum. After that, when you mint, you don't have to pay any more gas fees for Ethereum, but the people that buy your NFTs will have to pay a gas fee. And then these are the tokens that can be used to buy or sell your items. There's many other ones here like DAI. This right here is how do you want your item to be displayed. I really like contained. It depends a lot on your NFTs, on the way it's set up. And then here is explicit and sensitive content. So if you guys got explicit and sensitive content, definitely check this on so your collection doesn't get delisted. That's basically how you create a good quality NFT collection on OpenSea. It's very simple. Like I showed you guys, try to get your confidence score up by doing what I told you guys to do. If you guys got any questions, leave it in the comments below. Join my free crypto group on Facebook and Reddit, and check out my Patreon as well. Thank you guys so much, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.